3D print review, but this time we're going to be reviewing trending 3D print. So, let's get right to it. We have a basketball hoop. It's like, this is the rim. It's orange and you can see the other part of it is white. This orange part, you can like lift it off because it's actually another like part. So you can print it like off, and I think like the rim took 3 hours. The bottom part of it took like 10 hours. So, and if you want, you can glue this because sometimes it'll fall off really easily. So if you just don't want to like take it off, that's okay. And what I usually like to do with this is I crumple a piece of paper and I try throwing it in the net. So this SpongeBob thing, it's basically you put your sponge right here, and then you slide it close to the face so it will look like SpongeBob. And if you think that his face was printed on the body, you'd be wrong because you can actually take it off and it printed right beside it. But I couldn't find a sponge big enough because I accidentally printed a bigger one. So you can print the SpongeBob thing holders. You can print the body smaller so that if you have a small sponge, then you can put that sponge in the body. So what I did was I took off the face, and then I put a Scrub Mommy in, and I use this Scrub Mommy for it to be my Scrub Mommy holder instead of a sponge holder. So that is, I think this is the end of the video now. So please hit subscribe and like the video. I really want to get 100 subscribers.